Hello friends. So today's video we are going to learn about identifying nature of the business for any entity when we are doing KYC for any entity. So let's start. So most of the time we will get nature of business from Bloomberg website, and if we have a private entity, in that case we don't have a nature of business, so we can ask to the client. Apart from this, most we used clients websites, because in the websites there is about us. In that section it is clearly mentioned about the nature, so we can take a proof as a proof, that website print. But let's see some example. So Bloomberg is the one of the authentic websites for nature of business. I have one example. Concentric Corporation, Bloomberg. See, just search. We get we get this first website, that is Concentric Corp company profile and news. Just click on this website and you will get nature of the business of this entity. So just take as a print of this page and save in your folder for the proof of nature of business. This is the most easiest way. Some entities are not available on this website, so you can search by the that particular entity's website. And if you still not able to identify what is the correct nature of business, in that case you can do outreach to the client for confirmation of the nature of business. That's all about this nature of business identification or a proof. I hope you will know, and it will be helpful for all. Thank you so much. If you want watch more video about the AML KYC, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will try to make video every day on one topic. Thank you so much.